Jeremiah. We're gonna get a close-up. Oh, close-up. Close-up. What? What are you saying to me? What are you saying? Tell me what you're saying. Is it secrety? Is it secrety? How much do you love Daddy? How much do you love Daddy? Well, that's not very much. You gotta love him more than that. Come on. Come on. How much do you love Mama? Oh, Lordy, we have a problem. How much do you love Grandma? Say Grandma. How much do you love Auntie Mary? How much do you love Papa? How much do you love Daddy? Hello? A Bobby! A Bobby! Are you so big? Are you so big? Let's see, is this gonna work? Oops, my hand was all in the way. How annoying. You're so cute.